And then if...
Oh crap. I stepped on it. My bad.
It's good.
Go ahead.
And if no one, and if no one
6
taps
seconds
by
in.
5, then 2 more minutes.
8 seconds. Watch this. 4.5 minutes to go.
Hey, you think it'd be alright with Tina if I grab a Newport? Huh? Think it'd be alright, Tina, if I grab a Newport? Tina, can I grab a Newport? Yeah.
Newport.
Relax, Tina.
I like it.
Arm drag.
Don't let him.
Oh, we got another plumber. I think he wants us to go wild.
Oh my goodness.
Uh-oh. Come on, back. Peace out. You got 3 minutes.
Atrás, atrás.
Hey Norman, go wild.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, nice.
My God's amazing. If I can't stop praising, then y'all can taste me, but that won't faze me, cause of the way he's always by my side in situations
2 minutes.
My praise is crazy. Wait, I said that before. I guess it's deja vu, like Beyonce and chasing. My praise ain't lazy, cause when things are hazy, the ghost scares me just like Patrick Swayze. Oh yeah.
Come on, get out of that.
I'ma give you 5, I'ma give you 4, I'ma give you 3, I'ma give you 2. I'm about 5 seconds away from giving you the most amazing disgrace.
Oh, there you go.
I'ma give you 4.
Keep working, Tino.
Get up that pierna. Go wild. Go wild. Go wild. Go wild. Everybody go wild. Go wild. Go wild. Go wild. Everybody
1 minute to go.
go wild. Go wild. Go wild. Everybody go wild. Go wild. Go wild. Go wild. Keep loose with it. Can't show the truth with it. Give me 5 seconds and I'm about to bust through with it. I'm about to praise him. Oh, he's so amazing. Millie got the heat, so you can tell him that it's blazing. Something better than occasion. Some call it your block. They call it the cornerstone, so you can call it the rock. The only one that kept me in my sweet bye-bye.
30 seconds.
Get out the way. Why?